In this video shows how to install Disk Sentinel Pro version on your PC. First, download the zip file from the link I provided. Then extract the zip files to the folder. Click and open the folder. Then click and open the text file on folder. First, copy the key on given text file. Now click the application and paste the key and click OK. Now installation is processed, please wait. Installation is completed. When installation finished, application is appear on desktop. Now click and OK the Disk Sentinel. This is the interface of Disk Sentinel. Now you can view the temperature, health, and performance for your SSD or hard disk. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe my channel for more tech videos. Download link in description.